Brake checking is a risky game, and today we're watching drivers who learn that the hard way. Instant karma, close calls, and well-deserved.
Is that bullshit too? No. Is your name even Screech? Are you even a beholder? Do it! No.
Yeah. Go. Oh, it's green. I can't see. I cannot see it. In game. Mother. There's no way.
His light was red.
It was very red.
Christ.
But it seems that that shift is not really happening in the US because it's expensive, because the US doesn't really have the expertise at the moment.
What were you thinking?
Your technology now. So it's one of the other segments of the
You're the one who pulled out in front of me. I was driving straight.
But that is also ultimately going to be affected.
You pulled out in front of me. You f***ing dumbass.
It's just interesting to see that tariffs are supposed to be.
The regime is going to mean for that was mostly untouched, not harassed by the former.
2.3 and I'm southbound. And I just got rear-ended by a white pickup truck.
Mate, you're fucking blocking the road. Hey? Stuck the fingers. Oh, it's probably not worth stopping traffic for it. Just maybe pull over to the side next.
This, bro.
Rolling up to a red light, this Mercedes appears to be acting aggressively towards the group of riders as they try to make their way around the traffic jam.
Hey! Hold down. What's up, man? You alright?
Yeah, I'm just trying to get by.
Well, you're kind of getting these guys off the road too. It's crazy. Get past us. We're stopping up here and get on your way, man.
Yeah, I'm really trying.
We'll get out of your way.
I tried to pass earlier.
We'll be out of your way in just a minute. Klamath,
Okay.
we're gonna pull over and we'll be out of your way, okay?
Great.
Okay. Go.
Then on the highway, a series of bumps and a bad turning line sends this biker and his passenger into a near-miss moment.
Off this bike. That back tire's bad.
Pulling into the gas station, this rider begins to fuel up, completely unaware of what's about to happen. Just moments later, a Jeep pulls away from the pumps and slams right into her bike.
What'd you just do that for?
Sorry about that.
What'd you just do that for?
No, sorry.
What'd you just do that for? Why did you just hit my bike?
I thought I could make the turn.
Why did you just hit my bike?
I just hit
Pull
the
over,
tire.
pull over. Pull over right now. Pull over. Right now. Pull over. Right now.
Yeah, I'm sorry.
Stay right there.
Hit the tire.
All right, stay right there, please. Do not leave.
What's that?
Do not leave, okay? Do not leave. I'm calling the police. Stay right there.
I just hit you
Sir, how you doing? Stay right there.
Watch here as a lane-splitting biker tries to make a U-turn. Unfortunately for him, though, it's already too late. This is exactly why I always say, expect the unexpected and keep your distance. Things can happen out of nowhere.
Eu não vou filmar ali só Palmeira, que eu já filmei muito, galera. Eita Jesus amado. Oh meu Senhor Jesus, um acidente na minha frente, meu Deus. Tão bem, irmão? Oh meu Deus do céu. O pneu estourou, não foi? Eu vinha filmando, velho, na hora. O pneu estourou. Estourou. Oh meu Senhor Jesus. Oh meu Deus. O pneu estourou bem na minha frente, ó. Kombi é diesel, hein? Motorzão é diesel.
After following the truck for a few minutes, the biker starts to sense something's off. Then it hits him. There's something seriously wrong with the right side tire on the bus up ahead.
Ai, ai, ai.